Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Certbot for Nginx with DNS-01 challenge on Cloudflare step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have access to your Cloudflare account. Log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. Navigate to the domain for which you want to restore Certbot. Go to the DNS settings for your selected domain. Locate the API tokens section in your Cloudflare dashboard. Create a new API token with permissions for DNS editing. Make a note of your API token for later use. Open your terminal or command line interface. Check if Certbot is installed on your server by typing Certbot version. If Certbot isn't installed, install it using your package manager. For Debian-based systems, use the command sudo apt install certbot. For Red Hat-based systems, use the command sudo dnf install certbot. Once Certbot is installed, you'll need to install the DNS plugin for Cloudflare. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt install python 3 certbot dns Cloudflare. For Red Hat-based systems, run sudo dnf install python 3 certbot dns Cloudflare. Create a configuration file for your Cloudflare API credentials. Use the command sudo nano /etc/let'sencrypt/cloudflare.ini. In the configuration file, add your Cloudflare API token and specify the credentials. The format should be as follows: DNS_Cloudflare_API_token equals your _API_ token. Make the configuration file secure by changing its permissions. Run the command sudo chmod 600/etc/let'sencrypt/cloudflare.ini. Next, request a new certificate using Certbot with the Cloudflare DNS challenge. Use the command sudo certbot certainly DNS Cloudflare credentials /etc/let'sencrypt/cloudflare.ini dyourdomain.com www.yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com and www.yourdomain.com with your actual domain names. Certbot will automatically handle the DNS-01 challenge through Cloudflare. Once successful, you'll see a confirmation that the certificate has been issued. Now, check your Nginx configuration for proper SSL settings. Open the Nginx configuration file for your site using a text editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.